Here, friend Sarah.
Hey, wait, give me that.
Here, friend Sarah, and draw a police dog.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. You need your drawing supplies, and you can use whatever you have. We're going to use markers. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's start with our dog's nose. We're going to start by drawing an oval shape right here in the middle of our paper. And then we can also draw a small little highlight and then color in the rest of the oval. So our dog's nose looks shiny. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a curve coming out to the side and up, and then the same thing, curve and up. Then we can draw our dog really happy by drawing the mouth coming down and curving up. We can draw the tongue inside too. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and a matching circle on the right. And we can draw that little circle in the top left for the highlight to make the eyes look shiny, just like the nose. We can color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. Anytime we speed up the video, or if we go too fast, what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, for more time. Okay, now let's draw the face or the shape of the head. We're going to draw a curve going underneath the mouth and over to the other side of the eye. Big, wide letter U. And then we're going to draw the top of the head. We're going to draw a bigger upside down U. Oh, I went really high. That's a big dog head. And I kind of drew it lopsided too. It's a little smaller over here. We're just practicing, right?
Yeah.
The most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, to have fun. Now let's draw our police dog's hat. We're going to give him a police hat. And let's start by drawing the visor. I'm going to draw it right here. We'll come down and curve back up. Let's add another little detail. We could draw another curve right next to it that matches. Then we're going to draw the gold band that goes around. We'll draw two lines coming up. And then we can also draw a curve to connect those to the other side. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the top of our police hat. We're going to draw a curve that comes out to the left and the same matching curve on the right side. Then we're going to use our eyes to split the hat in half. So right in the middle, we're going to draw an imaginary line coming up, and we can draw a little guide point in the middle. And then we're going to curve down and connect to the curve on the left and matching curve on the right. And let's also draw a small police badge right here in the middle. I'm going to draw a letter U in the middle, and then we can draw an upside down V to connect the top. Yes. All right, now let's give our dog some ears. We're going to draw pointy ears. We'll draw a curve coming out of the hat on both sides to match. Then we'll draw a little curve at the top and then come down and connect to the head. And we'll match that same shape over here for the other ear. And let's draw the inside of the ear. I'm going to draw that same matching curve coming up, almost like we're going to connect to the point or the tip of the ear. And then we're going to come back down and match the outside shape, curving back into the head. Now we're ready to draw our police dog's body and legs. Let's start here, and we're going to draw two curves coming out of the chin. Then we'll curve around for the paw and come back up, but we'll stop there, and we'll repeat that same size paw and leg on the other side. Okay, now let's give him a police uniform. I'm going to draw the sleeves right here. So we could draw two lines going across his legs. And let's also connect the legs here. And we can draw a collar on the sleeve. I'm going to draw an upside down V right in the middle. And then we'll connect the outside up to the shoulder Oh, let's draw another police badge, but this time let's draw a star. So we'll draw an upside down V. Then we'll draw a sideways V on both sides. And then we'll connect down here with a W. It's okay that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. They're both turning out awesome, and especially love yours.
Thanks.
Now let's draw the back legs. First, we'll draw the foot sticking out to the side, and we can draw that foot on the other side too. And then we're going to draw the knee coming up and down. Up and down. And what's our dog missing?
His tail.
Yeah, let's draw it coming out to the side and up. We're gonna draw it curving up. Then we're gonna draw it coming back down, and we can add some zigzags right before we connect it into the leg. And we did it. That's a simple way to draw a police dog, except we still need to
Color it.
Yeah, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our police dogs, and I love yours so much. He looks a lot taller than mine.
Yeah. I like that we colored ours to look like a German Shepherd.
Yeah, and our friends could change the colors so that it looks like a different dog.
You could also add a background.
Oh yeah, maybe your dog is at the police station.
We hope you had fun drawing a police dog.
I will see you later, our friends. Goodbye!